Page 24, Old Christmas Tree, or Old Tenenbaum. 3/4 time, 1 flat. We're in the key of F major now, so make sure you can do the F major scale 1 octave up and down. It doesn't hurt to go ahead and do the D minor scale also, because it also has 1 flat in the key signature. Now the tricky thing about this piece is the rhythm, so we gotta watch out. Right hand first. That first note is for the left hand. We'll come back to that. Right hand starts here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and thumb comes down. We just changed hand positions. During the rest, you come back up. 1 and 2 and 3 and during the rest, you come up all the way up to C. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. And then 4th finger. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and rest. So forth. So work it out and get the rhythm. That's really, I mean, you're moving around a little bit. It's the rhythm that'll throw you. On this one, left hand. And then here. And then here. F to rest. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, rest. Rest. 1 and 2 and 3. Just scrunch up. And 2. Then go down. And 2. So you're moving around a little bit. You got to go here to here to here. It's not that simple. Last line, you're here, 1 and 2 and I use 4th finger for the F sharp here, and then so forth. Put the hands together slowly and carefully. Let's just see if we can get them to work here and then here, and then here and here, and this, the left hand comes up on beat 3, the right hand stays down. 1 and 2 and 3. So for half a beat, that's and 2 and 3. 2 and rest. Here on measure 8, 2 and 3. Both come up on 3. For a half a beat, your silence. 1 and 2 and 3 and this part. Measure 9. Real careful. 1 and 2 and 3. That's what you're after. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. See, the rhythm is the same for each of these 3 measures. It's just the notes are a little different. So once you get the rhythm down, then it's a matter of fighting with the notes and getting them down. So get the hands together and then go back and get rid of the hesitations. And then we can add the slurring. Now, the first note's melody. You see the dotted line going up? That indicates that the melody's going up. You connect it. It's like one hand played it, except 2 hands are doing it. So connect it. Lift up. Just a little lift up. It's like taking a breath. Lift up again, so it's a new phrase. So put in the phrasing as best you can. The left hand, when it isn't melody, just connect it as best you can. Connect it, but do the best you can. So forth. Dynamic wise, moderately loud is the melody. Whatever you think moderately loud is, keep everything else under it. Soft. Keep the left hand soft. And when you get to measure 9, now you're loud. In the right hand. The left hand can be about moderately soft. Then go back down to pick up to measure 13. You're down to moderately loud again. The retardando there at the end, slow down. so forth. It doesn't say to get softer, but if you feel like it should get softer, then get a little softer. It's interpreting the music. How do you feel it? Speed-wise, well, it just says cheerfully. That's normal. A lot of times in the speed, they don't tell you the speed. They give you the mood of the piece, and you have to figure out the speed of the mood. That's I like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Make sure you got those accurate. I'm not going to do any dynamics. I'll try and do the phrasing and so forth. So I'll give us 2 counts because we come in on beat 3. Ready and go, and 3 and 1. 1 and 2 and 3. 3, 2 and 3. I like to do the duet with you, so let's try that. Again, I need you to go up an octave. So just pretend middle C goes up an octave on the keyboard, and instead of here, you're up here. Play the whole thing up there. I'll give us 2 counts. Now again, the duet part doesn't have, it's got rests and things, so I usually play a note or something in the rest to keep us together, to keep the beat. So we'll do that. So I'll give us 2 counts. Let's try it. I'm going to speed it up a little bit. Ready, go.